Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox an item that I ordered from the United States. This is the Red Wing MocToe 8828 in Alpine Portage leather. There is a story of this MocToe because this came out on the website of Red Wing in the month of July, and it became popular because this is the first time after so many years, maybe after 4 years, that they use a black outer sole or black thread soles on their MocToe. Actually, I was able to see in Iron Ranger with a thread soles which is black. This is most likely in green suede leather. I was able to see the said Iron Ranger in a Red Wing store in Los Angeles in Chinatown, and the owner is my friend Kim, and he was able to show me. Actually, it is on display in their store, and it is priced as almost $500. And that shoe is in my right size, or size 8D. I was about to buy it, but I cannot justify spending $500 for a Red Wing shoes. That shoes was put in my mind that one day maybe if said kind of model or style will be available, immediately I'm going to buy such model if they're going to use a black thread soles on their Iron Ranger or MocToe boots. And here comes now, last July, it was very popular to the point that it was the point of discussion on Reddit, on the subreddit on Red Wing shoes, that I also subscribed. And I was impressed on the color. I was impressed on the style and the combination of the black sole, outer sole, and the green color leather of the MocToe. Actually, I have only one pair of MocToe, which is the Red Wing H77, and this is the 8 inches tall, and I've been using this in my hiking and in my backyard works. I bought it from Baker's, and I was able to buy it at a discount price because I've been a customer of Baker's for having both some Westco and Whites boots from them. So they gave me a 10% discount, and that's the reason why I was able to buy a Red Wing MocToe H77, and this was last year. This is my second MocToe boots from Red Wing, and the story goes when I contacted my friend Gabi Bio from New York, and I told him that I'm very interested to buy a Red Wing 8828, and I know that Gabi is an expert on Red Wing, and I told him, can you get one for me, and we'll make the necessary arrangements so that I can pay him immediately. This is my fourth transaction with Gabi. I'm very happy that I was able to order from him, and he even joked me and tell me that I could be the first locally based Filipino who will be sporting this 8828. I told him, no, I don't think so, because I've seen a lot of Filipinos or Pinoys who have already bought this kind of MocToe boots, and he would explain to me that he was able to buy 4 pairs for Filipinos who are living abroad. I think they are from Dubai, and 2 are from Dubai, and there is a nurse from London, and there is another politician from Southern Philippines that he bought one for him. However, the boots will be arriving in a balikbayan box, which I think the politician would be able to receive it next month, in the month of December, just in time for the Christmas season. And he told me that you will be the first one to have a 8828 in the Philippines. So I was laughing and I said, okay, maybe I have to post it on Salvage Philippines or Red Wing Philippines, so that I'll be tagged as the first Filipino, local Filipino, who will be wearing an 828 in the Philippines. So that's the story. So he sent the item, I think, in September 26 or 27. And I've been calculating the number of days before the package would arrive here in the Philippines. Usually, Johnny Air Cargo, even if it is coming from New York, from the West Coast, or from New Jersey, or from any place in the United States, the number of days that it will travel, clear customs, and delivered to the pickup point is usually 9 days. The longest is 10 days. So I calculated the number of days that the guy from SM Mega Mall, Johnny Air Cargo, would send a text message for me telling me that the package is ready for pickup. So I was counting the number of days, and I calculated that the said item should arrive on September 7, 8, or 9. But these days had passed, and I said, what happened? I was planning to send a message to Gabi, how come there is a delay? And then after a few days, I think last Friday, and today is Monday, October 16. It was in October 13, Friday the 13th, that I received a text message from SM Mega Mall, Johnny Air Cargo, telling me that I have a package to pick up, and I'm sure that it is already my Red Wing MocToe 8828. Gabi made the post on Facebook on the nitty-gritty of the order, how much is going to spend for this, and so on and so forth. But I'll just tell you the bottom line. I paid 22,000 pesos for the whole package, to include the shipping and everything, customs duties, when it arrived here in the Philippines. So basically, when it arrived here in the Philippines, I did not pay anything, because the price of Gabi incorporates everything already. All I have to do is just pick up the item and then unbox the item and use it.